Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile using a PlayStation 5 controller. First, make sure your DualSense controller is charged and ready. Next, open your mobile device's settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now, on your controller, press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button together until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This puts it into pairing mode. On your phone, select the DualSense controller from the available devices to connect. Once paired, simply open Call of Duty Mobile. Once your controller is connected and you are in Call of Duty Mobile, it is time to fine-tune your settings. Head into the Game Settings menu, then look for the Controller tab. Here, you can customize your button layout to match your playstyle, perhaps mapping jump to a different button. You can also adjust aiming sensitivity and movement speed to ensure precise control. Take some time to experiment with these options to find what feels most comfortable and effective for you. To truly master Call of Duty Mobile with your PlayStation 5 controller, consistent practice is key. Spend time in different game modes to get a feel for the controls and aiming. Don't hesitate to revisit your button mapping. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference in your reaction time. Fine-tune your aiming sensitivity until you can track targets smoothly and accurately. Remember, the goal is to make the controller feel like a natural extension of your movements. If you encounter any connection problems, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the PlayStation 5 controller often resolves them. Also, always ensure your Call of Duty mobile app is fully updated. Using a controller provides significantly better precision and comfort compared to touch controls, especially during intense firefights. This setup truly elevates your mobile gaming, offering a more immersive and competitive experience that feels much closer to playing on a dedicated console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.